Yoga for us means it's a way of life. It's not necessarily about the funny poses that we make on the mat. It's actually about what we take away from the mat. I heard about the Kickstart scheme through one of our nutritionists actually who works for us. The idea that I might be able to provide 16 to 24-year-olds with the necessary skills they need to find the right jobs for them in the future, whilst also driving my business forward, is just a no-brainer.
A friend actually introduced me to Tilly because she was also working with Tilly at the yoga agency, and we've been working together ever since on various projects, and it's been lovely to work with her. Good afternoon everyone, we'll just do a quick sound check. Tilly, if you could just give me a thumbs up if you can hear my voice and the music okay. We'll start in a nice child's pose.
Take a few deep breaths.
So we are about to start a live virtual yoga session. I have 2 cameras set up and I'll be watching everyone on my big screen here. Good, and gently float your head back to the centre.
The Kickstart scheme is a government scheme that helps 16 to 24-year-olds currently at risk of long-term unemployment find jobs that otherwise may not have existed. And the way they do this is they help companies create jobs by offering them a free 25-hour-a-week employee for 6 months, as well as £1,500 in a grant towards their training and support. If you're a small business looking to post maybe 1, 2, 3 jobs, then you can go through a gateway where essentially they'll do all the work for you.
I think it's fantastic. I definitely remember how I felt when I'd finished education. I think at that age you are really eager and willing to get experience working, so it's really, really important that we help people to find work so that they can get experience in the working world. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.
Thank you.